your chapter number 6, lines and angles, that is going on, and we are working on the exercise 6.3, and now we are solving the question number 4 and 5. All the concept we have already learned about that. Now see, what is the question is given to you. The question is given, this is the figure of the question which is given to you. Okay, this is given that angle R, in given you will write it, angle R is equal to 40 degree, angle P is given, that is equal to 95 degree, and angle S, this is given to you, is equal to 75 degree. And what to find? To find is angle SQT. That means you have to find this angle SQT. This angle you need to find. Okay, let it be x. इसे x मान लेते हैं. Okay, now solving the question. Let the angle SQT be x. Okay, now how can we solve it? First of all, see the figure here. Okay, see, this is a triangle RPT. This one is a triangle RPT. Triangle में हम कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी लगा सकते हैं? एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. And what is the angle sum property? That all the angles of a triangle sum should be equal to 180 degree. सम कितना होना चाहिए? 180 डिग्री होना चाहिए. That means 95 plus 40 plus this angle should be equal to 180 degree. So that means we have to add 95 plus 40. It will become 135 degree, and subtract it from 180 degree. So the angle you will get, that is equal to 45 degree. So that means this angle, T angle, is 45. Okay. Now the next thing, if this angle is 45 degree, see, this side angle also become 45 degree. Why? Because they both are vertically opposite angle. Two lines are RS and PQ. They are intersecting at a point T. ठीक है, T point पे intersect कर रहे हैं. And if this angle is 45 degree, then this automatically become 45 degree because of vertically opposite angles. Now we have to find this angle X. Again see, this SQT, this one SQT is again a triangle. So again we can apply here the angle sum property of a triangle. So that means 75 plus 45 plus x should be equal to 180 degree, and by this we can find the value of x. Now how you will write it? Okay, first of all we have done in triangle PRT. In triangle PRT. Okay, what is the angle? 40 degree plus 95 degree plus angle T should be equal to 180 degree, and if we add this, this will become 135 plus angle T is equal to 180. So hence we get angle T is equal to 180 minus 135, that is equal to 45 degree. Our first answer. Now if angle, now we cannot write it T. ठीक है, T क्यों नहीं लिख सकते? Because we have to write T itself. ये वाला एंगल भी T है and ये वाला एंगल भी T है. So we have to write it RTP. This angle RTP is equal to 45 degree. अगर आपका RTP एंगल कितना है? 45 डिग्री है. Then this angle QTS, the angle QTS should also be equal to 45 degree. Why it is 45 degree? Vertically opposite angle. ठीक है, because of vertically opposite angle. Now at the last we have to find this angle x. So we will work in the triangle SQT. In triangle SQT, what is the angles? The angle is 45 degree plus 75 degree plus your angle x. They should be also equal to 180 degree. Why they are? Because of angle sum property. Angle sum property. Yeah. Now next, if we add them, it will become 7, 8 and 4, 120 plus x is equal to 180 degree. So what is the value of x here? It is equal to 180 minus 120, that is equal to 60 degree, and this is your final answer. You have to find the angle SQT and the value is 60 degree. So at last write, I am writing here, you write down of this. Angle SQT is equal to 60 degree. So this is your answer. Okay. Now we are going to solve the next question, question number 5. See, in this one you have given that these two lines PQ and ST. These two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, parallel to each other. Now the angle, this angle P is given. This is 90-degree angle. S angle, this is divided in two angles. The upper side angle is Y, and here also the angle Q is divided into two angles, 28 and X. ठीक है, दो एंगल्स में डिवाइड है यहाँ पर से ये. And this angle, the exterior angle of this triangle is 65 degree. So what you have to find? You have to find the value of X and Y. Okay, let's solve this question. We will start the solution. That see, this PQ and this ST both are parallel to each other, and this line QR is the transversal between them. ये जो QR है ये क्या है, इनके बीच की ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है. Whenever this 65 and this angle, that means they are alternate interior angle, so they should be equal to each other. That means if we write, if PQ is parallel to ST, PQ and ST are parallel to each other, and this QR is transversal, ये इनके बीच में क्या है, ये ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है. Then this angle QRT is equal to angle RQP. Now see, this angle Q is divided in two portions, so that means the whole angle will be x plus 28. पूरा एंगल कितना होगा, x plus 28, and this whole angle is already 65. ये तो पहले से दिया होगा 65, but this angle is divided in two parts, so we can write it x plus 28. Now see, the value of x from here is 65 minus 28. The value will be 15 minus 7, 37. So x is equal to 37 degree. ठीक है, one angle we have find it. Now we have to find the angle y. See now, this triangle, if we take this one triangle, see I have taken it in bold, this one, PQS. If I take this triangle, in triangle PQS, triangle PQS में देखो x we already know about it, it is 37 degree now. Here this angle P, this is the sine of 90 degree, so it is given 90 degree, and y we need to find. So in this triangle we can use angle sum property. By angle sum property, what is here? 37 plus 90 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now if we solve it, it will become 7 and 12, 127 plus y is equal to 180 degree. And what is the value of y here? 180 minus 127 degree. Now subtract it, it will become 353 degree. Okay? So the answer of y is 53 degree. So what is your answer at the final? The x is equal to 37 degree and y is equal to 53 degree. That is your final answer. Okay? Now in next video lecture we will discuss the next questions of this exercise.